Activating your Eastwest Bank virtual credit card can be accomplished through the Eastwest System Tech Assistant chatbot or the Eastwest online platform. Here's a step-by-step guide for each method. Activation via ESTA chatbot. Access ESTA. Open your web browser and navigate to ewland.com/ESTA. Enrollment. Click on the enrollment link to register. You will need to provide your registered mobile number or email address. Verification. ESTA will send a one-time password to your registered contact. Enter this OTP to verify your identity. Activation. Once verified, follow the on-screen instructions to activate your virtual credit card. You can also view your card details, such as the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Activation via Eastwest Online. Visit Eastwest Online. Go to the Eastwest Online personal portal. Enrollment. If you're a new user, click on the enrollment link and complete the registration process using your account details. Login. After enrolling, log in with your credentials. Card activation. Navigate to the credit card section, select your virtual card, and follow the prompts to activate it.